Ever looked up at the sky and thought, wow, that's blue, and then immediately moved on with your life? Yeah, same. But today we're going to ruin that ignorance for you in the best way possible. So buckle up, Buttercup, because Think Bits is about to drop some casual science bombs on your lazy little brain. All right, so why is the sky blue? Like, why not pink or green or plaid? Nature clearly missed a branding opportunity, but whatever. Let's figure it out. First, here's the boring part you've probably skipped in school. Light from the sun looks white, but it's actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow. Not in a Lisa Frank sticker kind of way, but like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. Violet, the whole rainbow gang, smashing into Earth like a disco ball of science. Now here's where things get spicy. When sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it's that invisible, gassy bubble around us that keeps us alive. It hits all these tiny molecules of gas, mostly nitrogen and oxygen. And no, they're not doing this on purpose. They don't have consciousness. They're just chilling there, being molecules, getting slammed by photons. When this light hits those molecules, it scatters. But here's the twist. Not all colors scatter equally. Red, orange, and yellow. Those guys are like, nah, I'm too chill for this. They just cruise on through. But blue light, that stuff is extra. It shows up like wee. It bounces all over the place, like a sugar-high raccoon in a room full of mirrors. This chaotic blue bouncing is called Rayleigh scattering, named after some British guy with too much time and not enough distractions. Basically, the shorter the wavelength, the more it scatters. And blue has a shorter wavelength than red. So blue light gets scattered in all directions way more, which means when you look up, that's the color getting smacked into your eyeballs the most. Congrats, you now understand why the sky is blue. You can stop watching now, or not. Whatever. I'm not your mom. But wait, what about sunsets? Why is the sky orange and red then? Is the universe drunk? Nope, it's just angles. When the sun's low on the horizon, when it's either rising or setting, and you re-pretending it, poetic, the light has to travel through more atmosphere. That means it gets hit by even more molecules. So all the blue light gets scattered out of the way before it even reaches your eyeballs. The slower, lazier colors, red, orange, and yellow, finally show up like, hey, sorry we're late. Traffic was brutal. So yeah, that's why sunsets are fire-colored masterpieces and not blue, like the middle of the day. Science isn't just useful, it's got vibes. Also, if you're wondering why the sky isn't violet, since technically it scatters even more than blue, great question. Gold star for you. The reason is, our eyes suck at seeing violet. Sorry, evolution gave us cones in our eyeballs that are like, meh, violets, too edgy. So our brain kind of blends it into blue. Thanks, brain. Very helpful. And no, the sky isn't reflecting the ocean. It's a myth. The sky's blue because light physics, not because the sea decided to cosplay as the sky and the sky copied its homework. So next time someone asks you, why is the sky blue? You can either hit them with a smug science lesson or just say, because blue slaps, and walk away like a legend. That's it. You're now marginally smarter. You're welcome. This has been Think Bits, where we over-explain stuff so you don't have to Google it at 3 a.m. Smash that like button or don't. We're not your boss. Peace out, Skywatchers.